Conn-Link holds the spirit of innovation. Design links customer service to provide the best service and support of our electronic products. We provide connectors and cable assembly depend on customers' demand. We research and develop the technologies for marketing application. USB Type-C receptacle, USB Type-C plug, USB Type-C cable assembly, USB CM to CM Gen 2 by 220 gigabits per second cables, USB Type-C hub, USB Type-C docking, waterproof connector, USB Type-A, USB Type-C, USB Micro B, DC power jack, earphone jack, D-sub connector, M-series, M5, M8, M12, M23 connectors. RJ11 jack, RJ12 jack, RJ45 jack without LED, RJ45 jack with LED and transformer, RJ45 coupler, LAN cable assembly, wire harness cable assembly, AC power code, USB cable assembly, SATA cable assembly, LAN cable assembly, DVI, HDMI, DisplayPort, MiniDP cables.